Here we studied Unit 5, Chapter 1st, Numerical Solution. Numerical solution of algebraic equations. So first is, for example, for quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here we studied first is bisection method. Second is regular Halsey method. Or false position method. And third is Newton-Raphson method. So first point, first is bisection method. So working rule, for bisection method. So step first is, suppose f of a is less than 0, means it is negative, and f of b greater than 0 means it's positive. Then first approximation root is x1 is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Then step second, cases. there will be following cases. First is if f of x1 which is equal to 0, then x1 is a root of f of x is equal to 0. Means f of x1 0 असेल, then x1 is the root of f of x is equal to 0. Then second case, if f of x1 not equal to 0, then consider f of x1 less than 0 and f of b greater than 0. Hence, root of f of x between x1 and b यामध्ये असेल root of f of x. Then third condition, if f of x1 is greater than 0, then consider f of a less than 0 and f of x1 greater than 0. Then root of f of x between a and b. Root of f of x between a and x1. Then by the value of by the two values of find x2, middle value is x2. So x2 is equal to x1 plus b divided by 2. In case सेकंड मध्ये हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा. देन x2 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस x1 डिवायडेड बाय 2. इफ केस थर्ड असेल तर हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा x2. देन स्टेप थर्ड, रिपीट स्टेप सेकंड. ही स्टेप सेकंड आहे ती रिपीट करायची टिल जोपर्यंत ॲप्रॉक्सिमेट व्हॅल्यू टिल वी गेट ॲप्रॉक्सिमेट रूट मिळत नाही. वी गेट ॲप्रॉक्सिमेट रूट ऑफ f of x is equal to 0. Very close to real root. So we give the first example of bisection method. या स्टेप यूज करायचे आहेत. Then we first step show that first step is show that first example show that the root of equation x cube minus 6x plus 3 lies between 2 and 3. So here first upon consider f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x plus 3. It is first equation. Then f of lies between 2 and 3. So first upon f of 2, put this 2. So 2 cube minus 6 into 2 plus 3, and which is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 6 into 2 12 plus 3, and 8 minus 12 is the minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, and minus 1 is less than 0. Then put x is equal to 3. So f of 3, which is equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 plus 3, means 3 cube is 27, 6 into 3 18 plus 3. So 17 minus 18 is the 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, is greater than 0. Hence here f of 2 is equal to minus 1 less than 0, and f of 3 is equal to 12 is greater than 0. Have opposite sign. या दोघांची साइन अपोजिट आहे. and opposite sign असेल less than and greater than. So third condition, applied होणार. The root of equation lies between 2 and 3. Hence opposite sign असल्यामुळे the third condition applied होणार. The root of the equation f of x is equal to 0 lies between 2 and 3. Then second example, show that there exists the root of equation x cube minus 5x minus 11, which is equal to 0, lies between 2 and 3. So first upon, consider f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x minus 11. It is first equation. Then first put x is equal to 2. So f of 2, which is equal to 2 cube minus 5 into 2 minus 11, which is equal to 2 cube is 8, 5 into 2 10 minus 11. Then 8 minus 10 minus 21 is the minus 21, and 8 minus 21 is minus 30. It's less than 0. It is above 2. And then find out above 3. Put x is equal to 3. So 3 cube minus 5 into 3 minus 11, which is equal to 3 cubes 27, which is equal to 27. 15 minus 11 is the 26, which is equal to 1 greater than 0. Hence f of 2, which is equal to minus 30 less than 0, and f of 3 is equal to 1 is greater than 0, have opposite sign. So root lies between 2 and 3. Opposite sign असेल root. Hence root of f of x is equal to 0 lies between 2 and 3. Then third example, using bisection method, find the approximate root of x into e raised to x, which is equal to 1. Here find out 3 iterations only. So first upon consider f of x is equal to x into e raised to x, here minus 1. It is the first equation. Here first we take 0 and then 1. So put x is equal to 0. So 0 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, is less than 0. And here put x is equal to 1. So 1 into e raised to 1 minus 1, which is equal to e raised to e minus 1. And by scientific calculator 1.78, e minus 1 is 1.782 is greater than 0. So f of 0 minus 1 less than 0 and f of 1 is 1.7812 is greater than 0 have opposite sign. Hence a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 are two trial points. So by bisection method, x is equal to a plus b divided by 2. It is second equation. Then here find out 3 iterations. So first is first iteration, a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to a plus b, which means 0 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. Then find out f of x1 means f of 0.5. Hence 0.5 into e raised to 0.5 minus 1 means x into e raised to x minus 1 या फॉर्म्युल्यात यूज केले. देन सायंटिफिक कॅल्क्युलेटरने मल्टिप्लायड केलं तर काय होणार -0.5 1756 and मायनस ही व्हॅल्यू नेहमी लेस दॅन 0 असते. सो लेस दॅन 0 and f of b is the f of 1. So 1 value put करा. 1 into e raised to 1 which is equal to -1 which is equal to means e -1. याची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केली तर येते मायनस which is equal to याची व्हॅल्यू ग्रेटर दॅन 0 येणार. सो f of b and f of x1 less than greater than have opposite sign. Hence the root of f of x lies between. त्यामुळे आता हे कोणत्या पॉईंटला आहे ना तर x1 अँड b. सो x1 आहे 0.5 अँड b इज 1. सो 0.5 अँड 1. आपल्याला असं थर्ड इटरेशनपर्यंत काढायचं आहे. सो फर्स्ट अपॉन then second iteration here. आता x1 हा घ्यायचा 0.5 and b is equal to 1. so x2 find out करा first. formula is x1 plus b divided by 2 means 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 is the 1.5 divided by 2 and dividation करा 0.75. इथे सायंटिफिक कॅल्क्युलेटर यूज करायचा. सो f of x2 which is equal to f of 0.75. सो काय तर 0.xच्या ठिकाणी 0.75 इंटू e raised to 0.75 minus 1 which is the answer. Answer is 0.5877 greater than 0 आणि 0 point something is greater than 0 असते. Then find out f of 1. So f of 1, f of x1, f of x2, then f of x1. Where x1 is 0.5. सो आपल्याला सेकंड इटरेशनमध्ये 0.5 काय आला 0. पण सेकंड इटरेशनला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केली. f of 0.5 is minus 0.1756 and it is less than 0. त्यामुळे ग्रेटर दॅन अँड लेस दॅन असल्यामुळे f of x1 and f of x2 have opposite sign. So root of f of x lies between, first less than 0 घ्यायचा आहे 0.5, then 0.75. हा x, it is x1 and it is x2. then आपल्याला थर्ड इटरेशन पर्यंत काढायचं आहे. सो देन थर्ड इटरेशन is, now take x1 is equal to 0.5 and x2 is 0.75. then find out x3, and x3 is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, means 0.5 plus 0.75 divided by 2, and x3 is equal to 0.625. Hence after third iteration हे कॅल्क्युलेटरने करायचं. 0.5 plus 0. The approximate root is x is equal to 0.625. x is equal to 0.625. मीन्स इथे त्याने 4 इटरेशन दिली तर पुन्हा ती स्टेप करावी लागेल. मीन्स x is equal to 0.625. Then we give the second example using bisection method. Find the approximate root of x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 in the interval 2, 3. Then consider first x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. It is first equation, hence f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5, and interval is 2, 3. So first upon put 2. So 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5, which is equal to 2 cube 8 minus 4 minus 5. 8 minus 4, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, and minus sign less than 0. Then find out f of 3, and which is equal to 3 cube minus 2 into 3 minus 5. So 3 cube is 27 minus 6 minus 5. So 27 minus 11 is equal to 16. Is greater than 0, and less than greater than have opposite sign. And f of 2 less than 0 and f of 3 greater than 0 have opposite sign. Hence, by bisection method, hence root lies between 2 and 3. So by bisection method, x is equal to a plus b divided by 2. It is the approximation value. Then find out x is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 divided by 2 is the 2 into 3. So x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Is a approximate root of this interval 2 and 3.